students, today we are talking about the distributive property of the sets. Do you know what is meant by distribute? Distribute means to divide something or give a share or a part of something. In mathematics, the distributive property helps simplify difficult problems because it breaks down expressions into the sum or difference of two numbers. Let us see how can we prove this distributive property by using Venn diagram. Do you remember this? Before going to prove that, you please recall this one. This is a distributive property on numbers. In lower classes, we have studied this property of multiplication over addition. If we substitute the numbers for this distributive property, you can easily understand this property. See here, let us take any three numbers for A, B, C. Left hand side, A into B plus C equal to, substitute the values. You know BODMAS rule very well. So first we need to simplify this 3 plus 2, 5, 4 5s are 20. See the right hand side, A into B, 4 3s are 12. Then A into C, 4 2s are 8. We have to add these two numbers, we get 20. Both left hand side and right hand side, we get the same answer. So the property is verified. This is the distributive property on numbers which we studied earlier. I think you understand clearly. Now see what is the distributive property on sets. If we take any three sets A, B and C, first property, intersection over union. A intersection B union C. Intersection over union. A intersection B union C equal to A intersection B union A intersection C. Second property, union over intersection. See here, A union B intersection C equal to A union B intersection A union C. Now we want to prove this property by using Venn diagram. First property is example 1.22. First we need to draw the 5 diagrams like this. These 3 circles indicates the 3 sets A, B and C. On left hand side, what's inside the bracket? B union C. We have to shade this B and C. Next, A intersection B union C. We have to shade the portion which is common to both A and B union C. See here, which is the common portion? This one. So shade here. So shade the region like this. In right hand side, A intersection B. Before shade the region, you please find the intersection point of these two circles. That is very easy to find the region. This portion is A intersection B. The same way A intersection C. See here, A and C intersect these two intersect between these 2 points. You please shade the region. Next we have to combine both the regions. So like this. See the second and fifth diagram, both are same. So the distributive property is verified. Second property, exercise 1.5, fourth sum. First draw the 5 diagrams like this. The 3 circles indicates the 3 sets A, B and C. Left side, B intersection C. First mark the intersection points, then you shade the region. See here, these 2 circles intersect these 2 points. Shade this region. Next, A union B intersection C. We have to combine this B intersection C with the set A. See here. You have to shade extra this portion A. Right hand side, first one A union B. It is easy. It is very easy to you. A and B. Next A union C. A and C. A and C. Next we have to find the common portion of these two region, A union B and A union C. This is the common portion. See the second and fifth diagram, both are same. So the property is verified. Already we learned the verification of De Morgan laws by using Venn diagram. These are the important 5-mark questions. You please do it in your notebook and practice very well. Thank you.